When disaster strikes, whether in the form of ransomware, an outage, or something else entirely, how quickly can your organization recover? Planning and testing your data recovery strategy is essential. Recovery speed directly impacts business continuity. It could make a significant difference financially and on the impact to your customers. A data breach or cyber attack could cause days of downtime without a proper plan. A solid data recovery plan starts with identifying critical systems and data that need protection. Yes, everything from individual files to databases, applications, virtual machines, email servers, Active Directory, and more. Establish recovery point objectives and recovery time objectives to measure how quickly data must be restored. An on-premise data protection platform, or a backup as a service, and disaster recovery as a service solution can offer efficient data protection and recovery. A plan is only as good as your ability to execute it. Regular testing is crucial to identify weaknesses and refine your recovery strategy. Simulate cyber attacks, hardware failures, and natural disasters to assess your response time and effectiveness. Your data recovery plan is your lifeline during a crisis. Make sure it works. Invest in comprehensive planning and a data protection platform such as the Veeam product line. Then, conduct thorough testing to ensure your organization is prepared for any eventuality.